Title: Tidying Up Together. Lily is a little girl who loves to play with her friends, Bunny and Ducky. Every day, they have so much fun together. One sunny afternoon, they all go to Lily's house to play. Lily brings out all her toys. "Look, Bunny. Look, Ducky. I have blocks, dolls, and puzzles. Let's play," she says with a big smile. Bunny hops around excitedly. "Yay! I love playing with blocks," he says. Ducky waddles over and says, "I want to play with the dolls. They are so pretty." They all sit on the floor and start playing. They build tall towers with the blocks, play dress up with the dolls, and make funny pictures with the crayons. The room is full of toys, and everyone is laughing and having a great time. After a while, Lily looks around. The toys are all over the floor, and the crayons are scattered everywhere. The room is very messy now. "Oh no," says Lily, "look at the mess we made. There are toys everywhere." Bunny looks around and says, "Oh dear, that's a big mess." Ducky waddles over and says, "We can't leave the room like this. It's too messy." Lily feels a little worried. "How will we clean it all up?" she asks. Bunny smiles and says, "Don't worry, Lily. Cleaning up can be fun when we do it together." Ducky claps her little wings and says, "Yes. We can all help. It will be quick and fun." Lily feels happy now. "Okay. Let's tidy up together," she says. Lily starts picking up the blocks and putting them back in the toy box. Bunny helps by stacking the crayons neatly, and Ducky gathers all the dolls and puts them in a basket. As they clean up, they sing a fun song together. Clean up, everyone, let's clean up. Pick the toys off the floor, and we'll play some more." They all laugh and sing as they tidy the room. Lily picks up the last doll, Bunny puts the last block in the box, and Ducky finishes stacking the crayons. In no time, the room is clean and tidy again. Lily looks around and says, "Wow! The room looks so nice now. We did it." Bunny hops up and down, excited. "See? Cleaning up together is easy and fun," he says. Ducky smiles and says, "Yes. When we all help, the work is done quickly." Lily feels proud of her friends. "Thank you for helping, Bunny and Ducky. Cleaning up is much more fun when we do it together," she says. Bunny and Ducky nod happily. Lily says, "From now on, after playtime, we will always clean up together." Bunny hops around and says, "Yes. And we can sing our tidy up song every time." Ducky flaps her little wings and says, "I love our tidy up song." They all laugh and feel happy, knowing that keeping the room clean is easy when everyone helps. After the room is tidy, they sit down and have a snack together. Lily brings out some carrots, apples, and juice. As they eat, they talk about how much fun they had. Lily says, "Playing is fun, but cleaning up together is fun too. I'm glad we did it." Bunny nods and says, "When we help each other, everything is better." Ducky adds, "Yes, and now we can play again anytime because the room is nice and clean." They all smile and finish their snacks, happy that they learned how fun tidying up can be when everyone works together.